Are you looking for a school that believes in fun learning methods for your child? Look no further than KIDZTECH Public School. Established in 2018, KPS is a school that believes learning can be fun with the implementation of new ideas. At KPS, we provide learning opportunities that give students greater choices in subject matter, learning methods, and pace of study. Our mission is to build our students' self-esteem and problem-solving skills while fostering respect for themselves and others. We inspire curiosity, independence, and a lifelong love of learning to help our children become contributing members of our community and the world. Our dedicated educators bring enthusiasm to their lessons and have advanced degrees in their field. We offer a variety of high-quality courses designed to prepare your child for their next step. So why wait? Join us at KIDZTECH Public School and give your child the education they deserve. Call us now to enroll your child and become a part of our family.